Hey there, it's Brittany, and I'm back with another unboxing. I have a haul from Beauty and the Bead shop, their live shows. So I haven't shopped one of their live shows in months. I just have not have time, and I miss them so much because they're really good. And I just happened to just be watching this day, and I got my hands on two things that I've been looking for. And one of them I haven't seen anywhere, and the other one I've seen everywhere else for $10 more. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you. But they have a deal. You can save 10% off of your order if you use the coupon code Turquoise at their sister site or at their website, which is beautyandthebeadshop.com. These are from the live sale and may not be on their website, but let me show you what I got. So I got some agate bead or agate stone beads. This is so cool. On the camera it looked a little bit more green, and actually on my camera it's coming through kind of green. Like it's coming through a little bit more green, but it does have like a brownie yellow hue to it, but it's gorgeous. And these are like really nice. I think these are $6. These are 10 millimeter. I've said this before, I'm really picky about dyed agate beads because sometimes they just don't look that good. They look like watery or just super overly dyed. Yes, these are very saturated, but they're beautiful and they're dyed well and they're polished. So I want to make some gemstone bracelets with these, I think. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. I love those. And then these are also dyed, but I think these are like firecracked. You know what? I don't know. I think they're firecracked agate, but I love all the white with a little bit of the bluey black on it. So those make me happy. No plans for those, but these I definitely want to do with some kind of focal or something. This is what made me pull the trigger to buy today. What were these magnesite dyed dog bone shape? I've been looking for these forever. Julie bought them from Beauty and the Bead shop a long time ago, and every show I've watched that I've been able to make it to, they haven't had these. So they had two strands, and I was like, oh, I'll get one. And at the end of the show, they had another strand, so I got that one too because I've been looking for them forever. And I told you, I just got this shape in regular howlite or magnesite or whatever, but I really wanted them. I don't know why. I love the colors. They look like candy. I think that's why. They look like candy. It's magnesite. They're stone. They make me so happy. They just make me really happy. And those are $4.50. They had some $1.50 strands. I got 3 of those. Let's see what came in here. So these are just like those Faux Druzies. So I just got like a white 6 millimeter because they've got a lot of not flash but iridescence, and I think those are a great spacer. I got like a purpley majestic Faux Druzie. I think for $1.50 that's a really great price. It's usually at the Tucson shows these are like anywhere from $2 to $3, I think. And then a blue, and I don't know if I have these, but I just thought they were so cool. I love that frosted look. These would be great for winter. All right, and then I got a pair of tweezers because I just started using it's so funny, like that day I had used my tweezers for the first time in a very long time to patina something, and I want to use those to be dedicated for patinaing, so I needed another pair of tweezers. And then they just had a bunch of different types of tweezers. These are a little different than the ones that I've been using for patina, but they were $2. Really nice pair. Then this was like the last minute thing I got along with the tweezers, and I kind of didn't really process it when I bid on it because you have to go fast. It was a 1 strand buy. They only had one, so they were $6. They're mixed turquoise stabilized 13 millimeter round. What? I got these for $6? This strand would be like expensive at like Al's downtown. Now these look a little more dyed, but these look more natural. Oh my gosh, that one just makes me so happy. These are so great. I love them. I don't know what I'm going to do with them yet, but I like them a lot. Then they've been getting a lot of African beads, so that's what really started me looking at this show. So I got these. I haven't seen this type before. A lot that I've seen them sell, I've seen other places too. So I wanted to get something that I hadn't seen before. And these are so awesome. They're just really detailed, and I love how much paint is on them. And by me paint, I mean they use glass to paint these. So love those. Very pretty. Those are Krobo beads. And then, oh my goodness, I don't remember. I think this was $6. No. Okay. $3. Fluorite strands, 2 strands. Can you believe that? And they're amazing. I was like, I couldn't remember what the heck else was in this bag. These are really nice. A lot of green, a lot of, sometimes like lower grade fluorite is very pale. And I just really love these. These might be heat treated, I don't know. This company went out of business, but oh my goodness, there are 2 beautiful strands in here. I got them for $3. That is amazing. See, that's why you got to hit these shows when you have time, because you get deals and steals, as Garrett says. And then last but not least were these bone discs, batik bone discs. I've been looking for these everywhere with the polka dots, and I found them, but everybody else had them for $25 a strand. Like this exact strand was $25 everywhere else. Garrett had them for $15. They sold out. They did have another style, but I've been looking for the polka dots. I'm obsessed with the polka dots. So I'm so happy I got them. Yay, yay, yay. I have some other, actually I'm looking at them right now. They're hanging up on my pegboard. Actually, I'll lift up my camera. I've got all my polka dots. So I've got the large ones right there, and then the smaller like chiclet style. So now I'm adding these to the bunch. And then last but not least, these were at the end of the show too, kind of just snuck in there and grabbed them. $2.50 frosted Labradorite. So they're not the flashy flash look that we're used to, but I like some of them, like that one has a lot of flash, but they're like just a little hint of flash. I think this would be great hidden in a necklace or a bracelet somewhere. So beautiful. For $2.50, couldn't pass it up. And this dropped out of the package. Thankfully, I found it because I've been waiting for this to get here. I have a necklace that I needed to go on, and I'm happy it's here. It's a tiara cast pinch bail. So cute. Stay tuned. It's going on a super cool necklace. My goodness. That was a fun packed haul. I think these, and these are my favorite. So thank you so much for watching. Check out Beauty and the Bead Shop. I will leave a link below. Tell them I sent you. Use coupon code Turquoise. And I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Let me know what your favorite was. Bye-bye. Hi, Noodle Butt. Hi. Hi, cutie duty. Oh, you're so cute. We love you. Yeah, we love you. Good girl.